Hi, can I take a moment to introduce you to a good idea? Have you discovered the new GROHE Rapid SLX yet? In addition to its stronger design, it features a number of unique advantages for you, the installer, and for your customer, like the flow manager, which allows you to easily adjust the water volume after installation without requiring disassembling. That means you can avoid splashes when flushing rimless toilets. The larger assembly opening makes it easily accessible later on. The Rapid SLX is suitable for ultra-slim flush plates, and there are several styles for customers to choose from. The flush plates can be quickly and easily attached using the magnetic fixings. The Rapid SLX is ready for the future, and its integrated 230-volt connection means your client is ready for additional options, such as a shower toilet. That makes the GROHE Rapid SLX faster, stronger, and smarter. For further information, please visit our website